Today we're checking out the Raxiom Axial series mirror LED turn signals for non-towing mirrors with clean lenses for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500. If you want a quick lighting upgrade that makes the truck look more modern and makes your signals easier for other drivers to notice, this is a small part that can make a bigger difference than you might think, so it's definitely worth considering. The biggest feature and the biggest reason that someone might go for something like these is going to be the improved visibility. These replace the weak stock mirror signals with super bright LEDs, so your turn intentions stand out a lot better day and night. That's a real world safety upgrade anytime that you're changing lanes in traffic, merging, towing, or driving in the rain and low visibility conditions, where it helps to be a little more obvious. Because they mount right into the mirrors, they give off that cleaner, new style that makes the truck feel more current without doing anything too complicated and having to replace the whole mirror. The clear lens design also plays a big role in the look here. When the lights are off, the mirrors stay cleaner and they're more subtle than they would be with an amber heavy stock setup. And when they come on, the LEDs punch through really bright, and that clear lens really helps with that. These are going to be sold as a pair for the driver and passenger side, and they're plug and play. And they're built specifically for trucks with non-towing mirrors. That makes this a really nice option for someone who wants a fast install, a sharper mirror appearance, and a little extra signal visibility without jumping into a bigger lighting project or replacing that entire mirror like I mentioned. When it comes to the construction on these, you're getting durable black plastic housings with clear polycarbonate lenses and super bright LEDs inside, along with weather sealed housings to help keep dirt and moisture out of the electronics and making sure they don't get that faded or hazy look or fog up over time. That's exactly what you're gonna want for exterior lighting that has to deal with rain, road spray, heat, and cold year round. And the polycarbonate lens is a nice premium touch because they don't fade and get hazy like stock lights tend to do. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $80 price range. For a pair of plug-and-play mirror turn signals that upgrades both the look and the visibility of the truck, that's a really easy value to justify in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 1 hour of your time. So let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Didn't have any installation tools. I did have to use these 2 pry bars that I had in my garage. Today we're gonna do the unboxing and installation of a Raxiom Extreme Lighting on a 2010 Dodge Ram. I'll be using this pry bar that I use for some of my other installations on the truck. Let's go at it. Go ahead and pry off this front plastic cover, the trim on the mirror with a pry bar, and it shouldn't be that hard. So let's go at it. And it should just pop right out. Simple enough. Pops out 1, 2, 3. Oh, it cracked right there. And then we should be able to unclip it right here. I had to go find another pry bar to open it up and slide it right off. Well, here's the old one. All right, here's the new one. It has a slicker look to it. Looks pretty simple to install. Has this little notch and these 2 notches. Plug and play. Should be pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and complete the installation reverse process. Plug in the clip, and let's go ahead and install this. 1 clip, 2. Wow, that was pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Ready for my keys. Oh wow, that's a lot brighter.
Well, that wraps up our review and install the Raxiom Axial series mirror LED turn signals for non-towing mirrors with clear lenses for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.